Let's jump in and then let's run through the unplugged activity for this week. I just want to run through it and make sure you guys understand everything. So it's called My Simple Code. Um, it's unplugged because you technically don't have to be on a computer to do this activity, but I'm going to give you some options where you can. You have two options. You can choose My Famous Dish or My Grown Up Duty. What you're doing is you're picking a task or a problem that you're trying to solve and that you're trying to teach someone else how to solve. So you're going to list the steps that the person or robot or computer would need to follow in order to solve your problem. So you may be hungry and you need some noodles or some eggs or a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or just a regular sandwich or grilled cheese or, whatever your problem may be. Or so that's why this one is called Famous Dish. So whatever is your famous dish that you learned how to make first, it's something simple. Don't get too complicated, but yeah. The next one is My Grown Up Duty. So pick something that you learned how to do for yourself. Brushing your teeth, washing your hands, vacuuming the room, connecting Bluetooth, disconnecting your video game, hooking up TVs, hooking up computers, whatever you've learned how to do for yourself that you feel pretty accomplished about, that you feel confident that you can teach someone else. You can use the format that I use below. It's a real simple table that I put together with numbers on the left, task on the right. Or you can, remember to make sure that you include as much detail so that the person or device that is trying to accomplish your task does not mess up, and make sure that they, pretty much they accomplish it in the way that you want them to. So let's look at a couple of examples. So just a couple of examples, cooking eggs, but you see again, I have the numbers on the left and task on the right. Remove eggs from carton, remove bowl from cabinet, crack eggs in bowl, stir eggs in bowl with fork, pour eggs in pan. This isn't maybe how you do it, and everybody may have a different way of doing it. That's okay. So you don't have to choose cooking eggs. This is just an example. Brushing your teeth. Squeeze the toothpaste on the toothbrush, brush your top, brush your bottom, rinse with water, repeat 2 times. Again, may not be everybody's methods, and I'm not saying that this is the right method. This is just an example of a list that I would like you guys to have. I don't want your list to look exactly like this, but I want you to include all of your steps and don't leave anything out. We're going to be looking for those bugs in your program. So there's 2 things. You can use a regular sheet of paper and just write this thing out. Number it on the left, write your steps on the right, and then you'll be able to take a picture of it and share it with us. Or you can use our template. If you click here, the template, you may have to double click to find this guy. And then look, it says open. Oh, look, and then it has it over here. I don't want to open preview though. Let's see, we should be able to open the link. No. So when you click on that link, I'm in the folder, so it won't let me do it. You click on that link, you'll get this document here. You will not be able to edit this document because I've locked it so nobody else can change it. So what I want you to do is, if you would like to use this document, you will have to click File, and then you will have to make a copy. There it is. Make a copy. When you make a copy, you will choose what folder you want it in on your Google Drive, but you will make your copy and you will be able to edit that and type in it just like I have. That's pretty simple. If you need more directions on that, please reach out, shoot me an email. I will help you guys with that. You can also copy just this whole thing, right click, copy it, and you can put it on like a Word document or any kind of word processor file or any kind of text-based thing that you can type on. You can copy this and use it. So yeah, that should get you guys started on the unplugged activity.